What up? Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing? I forgot to pick up and film. I got here and we just went straight into work. Me and Jordan been replacing the shifter cables right here. Full bracket. Whole bracket got replaced. Shifter cables. OEM replacement. There's the bushing and there is the second bushing down there. It's kind of difficult spot to get to, but anyways, he had the old bushings out and the old cables out before I got here. Once I got here, all we had to do was route the new ones in, so they tuck over the sway bar down there and over the heat shield, and then there's a rubber grommet that stops it from going into the actual cab of the car. So but once we got that in, the rest was pretty easy work. He lost the cotter pins, so we're about to go get some cotter pins at the store. But we just need him to get this thing back on the road. For you manual guys out there, there's the ECU. That hole right there, you can see the heat shield actually from here, and that's the outside of the car. But that hole right there is where the rubber grommet is going to sit, and the shifter cables come up and they bolt up to the shifter. And you see, manual. So we just got to pull them out, fish them through the bottom, and reconnect. Put it back on, and the car should be A1. And I go to man of the hour.
Oh, you started recording?
I told YouTube I forgot to pick up the camera when we got here. We just got straight to work. But
yeah.
You know,
about what, 75% done?
Yeah, pretty much. It's easy. So like I said, we put the bracket on, routed the cables underneath. We just got to go get the cotter pins. After that, it's just fishing it through the inside and getting it done. So we're gonna take you along for the ride. Let's go get these cotter pins. We'll be back and you'll see what we do. Oh guys, all right, let me update you guys real quick because I do a horrible job at updating. But as you can see, the weather seal grommet, we pushed it in from underneath the car. Cables came in. This one right here is up and down. This one's side to side. Got the new cotter pin in here. This one's hooked up underneath.
You want to show them how it works?
Yep, go ahead.
So
before, what was it doing?
Second, fourth, sixth, and reverse was not engaging. It wouldn't engage at all. It would just slide right back into neutral. It wasn't like popping out or anything. Like it wouldn't engage at all.
And then you said second felt spongy, right?
Second, all of them felt spongy.
Spongy.
Yeah.
So for you guys, if they're not engaging, or they feel spongy or whatever, or if you put it into gear and it pops itself back out, for instance, then your cables. So give it a whirl.
What is it? Oh, so neutral.
Go through the gears.
And then first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
That's reverse.
I think that's, I don't fucking know how long.
Let me see. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. So we good. We got the feel back. Now let's see if she rides. We're gonna see if it drives better. His car used to sound crazy, but now he said he got a hole in his J-pipe.
Hold on.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what is it now? That battery?
Nah, it's not the battery. My battery brand new.
Uh-oh. Something's not connected. Oh, I know what it is. Hold on.
Is it the ground?
No, it's not the ground. Is it? No, this isn't.
Oh,
we didn't reconnect.
You disconnected a lot of shit.
I did.
This one.
I disconnected this.
This one.
We did disconnected that. That's all I disconnected. Those two.
It was just those two?
Yeah, I believe so.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Go ahead. Let's find out. See if she fires up. There we go.
My check engine light's on.
Is it? Was it on before?
Nah.
Nah.
I'll give a shit.
Hold on, but I don't even got a scanner. TPMS. Alright, just fuck with it and see the gears right now without moving it.
Feels so much better.
Better? I think we fixed it. Alright.
a drive.
Yep. Let's what we're gonna do is we're gonna tidy up the bay real quick, put this thing back together, and we'll take it out, see how she feels. Look at this guy. He's a baller. Look at all that. Look at this baller. Look at this baller.
I'm broke.
You guys, this car is gonna transform this summer, and I can't wait to show you guys. Huh?
Want to see something rare?
Mine's works too. It ain't that rare. But look at this baller.
I'm broke. It's fake.
Hydro did. It still look nice.
Shout out to H2O Creations, Jonathan Basilis. Hit him up for all carbon fiber work.
This car hasn't moved in how long?
Like since Thanksgiving, literally, the day of Thanksgiving.
That's when the cables broke?
That's when I took them apart.
Okay. So, what is it? About, like, realistically, an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of work, and we got it up?
Yeah, this is our first time doing it, too.
Yep. So let's get it back on, and let's get everything closed up, and let's take it for a ride. Alright, she looks back to normal now.
For now.
For now.
For now.
For now. We even gonna bother with the bumper right now?
Nah.
No? Alright. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Hopefully everything runs the way it should. I didn't even know that hood was carbon. So we're gonna take it for a test drive. And hopefully we did the job right and it runs smoothly. Like I said, all the gears went in properly. So should be alright. Yep. Yeah. She should run just right. Someone got a major exhaust leak. This thing was stupid loud anyways. Hey, it works.
It works.
It works.
It works.
That's all that we needed.
Turn my heat off when I took this shit.
Heat just gonna be blowing.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever, that ain't a bad thing on today. So how's it feel?
Yo, this car driving brand new.
Yeah?
The amount of work I put into it. The channel's not ready for that.
Just wait till they see what it's gonna look like in a couple months.
Oh yeah. Springtime.
It's a wrap, huh?
Literally.
Literally.
So it goes in kind of hard. Like you hear it, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because it's new and it hasn't been broken in.
Probably.
Feels good though.
There you go. Now it looks like a Type S again. It runs, it drives, it's back together. It's back on the road. The bumper's back on. Some of the interior's back in. And your car's running. How you feel?
A little relieved. Until shit fucks up again.
It's a Honda, bro. It'll fuck up, we'll fix it. Yo, that's it. Today's gonna be a short video. It's just coming out. I had to help the homie out. He needed some help, so we got it done. That's all that matters, bro.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna check y'all in the next one. Peace out. Have a good one.